Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're coming from my birthday vlog, welcome. Thank you for coming to check out how I achieved my birthday hair. If you're not, if you haven't seen, I posted a vlog about my birthday weekend and how the whole weekend went for me. Please check it out if you haven't seen it, but that's when you're done with this video. Yes, so thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the love. If you are regular, like if you know what I've been up to, if you know what's up, thank you for checking in again. Much appreciated. Yes, so let's just get right into it. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a sleek bun. For the record, this is the first time I'm doing a bun and I am super excited of what it's going to look like. So you guys should stay tuned, stay with me as I go about this hair routine. I haven't done a sleek bun before. This is the first time I'm doing it and I'm just going to be taking you guys through it. So right now, what I have on my head is cornrows, that is all back. And I've been carrying this all back for I think a month. So usually how I take care of my hair is this. I just braid my hair, do twist outs or do cornrows all back, and then I wear my wigs on it. But every week I wash my hair like as it is, all braided up. I just wash my hair, dry it, oil it, and then put on my wig back again, or tie a head scarf or something. So I've been carrying this all back for about a month now, and I mean this period is actually my birthday period. Like I said earlier, if you haven't checked out the video, do check it out, my birthday weekend vlog. Yeah, so I'll be doing how to achieve the sleek bun and how to install a ponytail. It's getting dark. It's like 5 o'clock right now. I parted my hair for two reasons. One is for easy combing and easy application of the oil, and two is for the gel that I'm going to be using to go into the the inner parts of my hair. As you can see, this is the biggest chunk, this is the smallest, and this one right here. So I need that back end because I want my ponytail to just be by the tip of my ear. So that is where I want my ponytail to be, at the back here. So this back pattern would help me know the positioning of my ponytail, and also for the gel to go in. And for the gel, I'm going to be making use of Eco Styling gel in flaxseed. This is the gel I'm going to be using. The braid I just took out when I was making that braid. I applied the gel to enable the hair to sleep and sleeken when I was braiding, and that really worked. Then I'll go in with this brush to brush my hair, make it sleeping. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to apply my castor oils and coconut oil. gotten so dark yesterday, I had to like stop, and I tied a scarf to sleep. When I woke up this morning, when I took out the scarf, I noticed that my hair, like there's some strands of my hair that is actually standing up, like it's kind of looking kinky, like it's not sleek. So today I'm just going to apply more gel and just brush it down and do the pattern properly. More gel. I brushed it a little and then just used my hands to really lay it down. For my ponytail, I'm making use of Sensational Game Changer. This is what the pack looks like. Sensational Game Changer in XL, I think. Textured drawstring ponytail Game Changer XL. So this is what I am making use of. My first ever ponytail, guys. Let's unbox it together. Okay, this is how it comes. Ooh, I'm so sorry for the lighting, guys. But this is how the hair comes.